MTP number 19, the first green screen. Is this called a green screen? I believe, Alfie. This would be our first green screen. I hope that the people with MSNBC are jealous, not angry with whatever we have behind me. This is pretty cool. The question today is from Todd from Texas, who's asking, will TRT cure my ED? What he means by TRT is testosterone replacement therapy. This is not these testosterone boosting supplements that guys like the InfoWars guys sell that have no evidence-based medicine behind them. As a matter of fact, he's actually equated him selling them to kidnapping or robbery or something just less than that. So this is true testosterone replacement therapy. So what is testosterone replacement therapy? Let's think about the semantics of testosterone replacement. So all we're doing is giving you back your testosterone. We're not jacking you up. We're just putting you back to where you used to be, just like a diabetic who gets insulin is put back to where they used to be from when it comes to their glucose. When your cells in your testicles stop making testosterone, we give you back the testosterone with testosterone replacement therapy. Now, my friends, for example, Abe Morgentaler at Harvard and Mo Carrot at Baylor, they have done all the evidence-based medicine showing that testosterone replacement therapy is incredibly efficacious, great for you, it's great for your bones, your brains, your heart. It's cardioprotective, it doesn't cause stroke, doesn't cause heart attack, does not cause prostate cancer. And so, this is something that's great. And of course, it's going to raise your libido. And I think that one of the reasons that our culture is so resistant to testosterone replacement therapy is because it raises your libido. But let's go back to what brought me here, which is Todd asking, will it cure my ED? I can tell you that our research group, and Dr. Ghana, myself, and other great docs have put together some numbers looking at how long does waiting for testosterone replacement therapy to help your ED, how long does it take for you to finally get to where you need to be when it comes to treating your ED? Remember, testosterone replacement therapy gives you back libido. It doesn't help any vascular issues in your penis. So, again, we go back to the beginning of the first green screen, which is that you need some evidence-based medicine first to go on, which you don't want to go on these guys that peddle supplements and make money to buy themselves fancy things. You want to go by the professors that I named before, and this is all literature that you can look up at reputable sources like PubMed. But does it help you with your ED? We've shown that all it does is sort of extend the time that you're actually looking at what caused ED. So go back to one of the previous events that we've had on MTP where we talked about how you make the diagnosis, and you can get to somebody that will take care of your ED much faster and with evidence-based medicine. So again, thank you so much. This is the first green screen. I hope you enjoy it.